You want to start a rabies pandemic in your Minecraft world? Then that's the video for you. Well, and as you can tell by these remnants here, the sheep or anything infected with rabies will die at some point. But let's just get into the commands real quick. First things first, you need to create a scoreboard that's called Rabies. This can be done by typing /scoreboard objectives add rabies dummy or rabies dummy and then the display name if you want it into the chat, or just setting up a command block like I did and pressing the button. But a small reminder, I just did this for showcase reasons. Next, you need a command block that adds 1 rabies a tick to everything that's already infected with rabies. Otherwise, this whole thing will not work at all. You need another repeating command block that's always active to add 0 rabies to everything. This basically just means that everything can be infected without getting more specific. Lastly, for this section at least, you need another repeating and always active command block that kills everything that has a rabies score of 300 or more, and it should be 300. If it's more, you probably did something wrong or used other numbers as me. Yeah, and this basically just means that everything dies as soon as it has rabies for 15 seconds. Well, I'm sorry, but this command block requires a bit more text. I just recommend you to copy it. If you want to change the speed, this can be done here at this section, but I'd recommend you to make it 0.7 or something maximum, because 0.5 is already pretty fast, and otherwise it's at least pretty likely to occur that some mobs go through blocks at some times. Or you can just copy this command block if you want to make the mobs go faster. I think this is even better. And yeah, so basically this just causes infected mobs to run towards other mobs that aren't infected and in a correct range. Well, then that just adds the ability for infected mobs to bite other mobs. Well, you don't really see the biting part, but that's how the Lucifer virus is injected. So this is the very last command block of this whole video, and it's just a simple damaging one, just to kind of simulate the bite, because I didn't think of any other way you can see it. And in order for that to work, it's important, it's unchained conditional and always active, doesn't have any delay and ticks. Well, this doesn't matter actually. And it's set up exactly like that. Well, it's just important that these 2 arrows point into the same direction, and these 2 command blocks just touch each other.